längst bak, över vingarna samt i den främre delen av kabinen är alla märkta med exit-skyltar. Ljus i mittgången kommer att visa vägen ut och lägg märke till var din närmaste nödutgång finns. Den kan vara alldeles bakom dig. Don't turn in the forward part of the cabin or along by exit signs. Lights in the eye will guide you to an exit and put your nearest exit is maybe right behind you. And you are welcome to use electronic devices as long as flight mode is activated during the entire flight. And smoking is not allowed as far as in the level. Thank you for your attention and we wish you a pleasant flight.